Hello everyone, welcome back. We have almost completed the episode 2 of our Python learning series, where we have seen the operators. We have seen the arithmetic operators, logic operators, comparison operators, and we are going to end this episode with a beautiful project. This is called the project session project EP02. Okay, our project is something like this. Is our project. Okay. This is our project. We are going to create a smart calculator using all the arithmetic operators we have used so far. Okay, let's go ahead and build this one. What is our requirement? We are use all the arithmetic operators, implement for division and modulo, add comparison mode, use wireless operator wherever it is possible, apply short circuit logic, handle zero division error, use augmented assignment, and display B2 results. Let's go ahead and see how much we can implement this one, and few of these will be advanced. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and build this. I am opening this 301. Let's close this one. Save this one. Here we have this episode 02. I have created a file called smartcalculator.py. This is what the file is. Let's go ahead and build. To build this one, we have to use a function call. Function is another topic which we haven't covered yet, but let's use the function. I'll explain what is this function and all in later classes. So for as of now, let's use this and see how we can build this calculator. Suppose I'm defining a function called define calculator. To calculate any value, we need one input variable, then one operator we need, and second input variable. Two variables and one operator we need for calculating any operations, any mathematical operations. As of now, I'm not adding any value there. I'm going to define the rest of the things because those are the operators we'll see at the last. What operator, how we can do it. Then we have to get the input from the keyboard. We'll be using walrus power input loop. We're going to use the walrus to get the input. Okay. I'm just printing smart calculator. Smart calculator, and I'm giving one instruction. Type execute to exit. If you want to exit the program, just type execute. Let's try to execute and see whether it is working fine or not. Wherever we do some projects and all, we try to execute the projects. Python smart calculator is initiator. Type to exit. Maybe it will throw exception because we haven't given any instruction what to do. Yeah, just execute. Type to exit. Let's build the rest of this project. Now I'm going to do a while loop. If it is not cute, then what we have to do? While we have given some expression expr walrus operator equal to input. What is the input? We are asking to add some input. Okay, this is the input. We are getting some input. We are checking it is not equal to cute. Not equal to is a cute. If it is not cute, then we have to enter the calculation that we are going to do it in a try and catch exception block. Why? Because in mathematical operation we have something called zero division error. We need to avoid that one. That is one of the requirement for our project. We have this, where is it? Handle zero division error. We are going to handle that one. Then try pass. I'm not adding anything as of now, except what is it? Zero is a value. So if that value is zero, then we have to get the value error. Okay, value error, except value error. Then we have to give the instruction print. Then we have to give the details. What is details here? I'm going to tell them what is the usage, how to use usage. We have to give number, then give a space, then operator, then give a space, then number. This is the format they have to use. And I'm going to give one example. Example, 2 space plus space 5. This is the format they have to use. Maybe instead of 5, we can give some power operator, that is double asterisk symbol. This is the way they have to use this particular application. Now we are going to write the logic. In the try block, we have to write the logic. Okay. Suppose what we're going to give, we have to get the input. We have to want to give the input here. Okay. So how we're getting, we need a variable A operator and B. Here we need to give A comma operator comma B equal to, we have received the expression here. Okay. A expression dot split, expression dot split, it will give each value, whatever the value we enter number first will go to the A, second operator will go to this operator, number will go to B. Like that it will be assigned. Once we have this one, then we have to calculate the result. We have to calculate the result. Result equal to, what is the result? You have given the instruction here. We are defining all the operations in that function, calculator function. So I'm just calling the calculator function, calculator. Just inside the calculator, whenever we do some arithmetic operations, always get the input in float format, so that the output will be in float format. So I'm just converting the input A and the B, that is the variable A and B, to the float. Okay, float of A, calculator float of A comma operator comma float of B, float of A, float of operator, float of B. It will do the calculation. Whatever we get from this one, A will be assigned to this one, operator will be assigned to operator, and B will be assigned to this one. Then it will do the calculation, go to this function and do the calculation. And once it is done, we have to print the result. Print the result as, let's do the F string. F string, give some equal to symbol, then result. Okay, so result will be already calculated here. What it is doing, the result will call the calculator function and it will pass the variable A operator and variable B, variable A operator, variable B, and it will pass to the next stage. So the main part is over. Now we have to define the operations. Instead of pass, now we are going to do the operators. If we are comparing the operator, if the operator is plus, it will go to the addition. If the operator is minus, it will go to the subtraction. Like that we are going to do. If operator double equal to plus, operator double equal to plus, then return A plus B, return A plus B. It will be very easy. Elif operator equal to minus, then return A minus B, A minus B. Just copy this one. That will be enough. Then operator equal to star, then constants, then will be multiplication. Then we have addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then here onwards, we have one more thing coming in. If it is a division, return A by B. What? There is one more condition. We had to avoid 0. If B not equal to 0. If B is 0, else we had to say 0. Say as error divided by 0. Div by 0. Div by 0. We just need to copy this to the rest of them. Copy space div. Let's see, I think it's enough. After division, we can go for floor division. Then we can go for modular division. Only we have this much operations up there. Now we have one more operation I forgot. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's group them together. Suppose if you have power operation, then also it will be like this. Finally, So finally, instead of elif, else we have to pass unknown operator else return unknown operator return unknown operator. That's it. This is as simple as that. So far we have division by 0. It's not close, not close, not close. Any error? No error. Let's save it. Okay. This sorry. Control S, not the control B. Any error? A by B, A double slash B, a percentage, not A minus. Right here for this one. If the operator is this one, operator is this one. We have division, modular, for division, modular division. There is nothing called this one. We have only three of them. We have only three of them. Addition plus addition minus subtraction, multiplication, double as its symbol. Minor mistakes. Okay, plus minus multiplication, power, division. This is floor division. This is modular division. Otherwise, we will return unknown operator. We don't know what this operator is. Let's go ahead and save this. I'm going to run this new terminal. Go to the command prompt, find a small calculator. Yeah. Oh, small typo here. This TYOE instead we have to give here. Where is type? Type. Yes. Type. Let's quit this. Qt is working fine. Okay. Then run once again. Smart calculator type Qt exit. Now I don't want to type. I want to give the input. What is the format? 2 space, then give the operand, then give the second one. 2. I'm giving space, then 2. That is 2 raised to power, and I'm giving the number 5. It is 30 equal to 32. Let's give another one. 5 space multiplication 5. It will be 25. Then 10 space division by 3. It will be 3.33. Now 10 space floor division 3, it will give 1. Sorry, 3. Then 10 modular division 3, it will give 1. Yeah, that's correct. So what else is pending? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Anything else is pending? Nothing else is pending. Everything done. Let's give some another one. 1. Then hash symbol 3. Should say unknown operator. Finally, 1 space 0. It should say error division by 0. So this is our small application we have built using what we have learned from this modules 2, that is operators. We have used all the operators, but we have used arithmetic operators and Walrus operator. And yeah, these are the major operators we have used. We haven't used any logical operators or anything here. That is not required for this application. It's a small application. Hope you enjoyed this project. Hope you enjoyed this project demonstration video. See you in the next one. Until then, bye. Have a good day. Thank you.